Hello dear student, let us see about habit of plants. So habit of plants are broadly divided into two groups, that is erect form and the weak form. So what is erect form habit? Here the stem are stand erect on the soil and the roots are produced only from their bases. But here some exception, that is the Ficus bengalensis and Ficus elastica. Here the roots are also produced from their stems or branches. So the plant of erect habit can be again divided into on the basis of their main stem, their branching pattern and their strength of the stem. So here again that erect forms, they may be herb, they may be shrub, here they may be shrub or they may be tree. So let us see one by one. Here the herb, it is a very soft stem and weak as compared to shrub and trees, and they may be unbranched or branched and generally short lived. Again that herb are divided into ephemeral herb and annual herb. So what is ephemeral? So in ephemerals, these plants are complete a life cycle within a very few weeks or a season. Most of the grasses are there, that is example Angalensis, Arvensis and Lathyrus apica, etc. Then in annual herb, there is they survive for 1 year only, example Lindbergia indica, Solanum villosum and Aziratum conjoides. So these are the annual herb which complete their life cycle in 1 year. Therefore it is called annual herb. So in that herb, the main point is that is their stem is very soft and weak as compared to shrub and trees. So now let us see about the shrub. Here these are the larger than herb. Their stem with woody stem and produce branches from their base. Example Solanum torvum, Hibiscus rosa sinensis, Polythia subrosa. So here the stem are woody as compared to the soft stem of herb. Okay. So under shrub are small shrub are also and super shrub are also. So small shrub are less woody stem, example Solanum indicum and Cassia sophera, and the super shrubs on the other hand are very large shrub but do not possess any well defined trunk to be considered as a trees. यानी यहाँ पर इसका जो ट्रंक woody stem है but we can't say it is a trunk. Okay, so these are the super shrub. एग्जाम्पल इसके एडवर्थिया गार्डनी, टैबरना, मोन्टाना कोरोनारिया, एनोना रेटिकुलेटा. Okay, so these are the shrub. Now let us see about the trees. Here the trees are very large plant with distinct woody trunks. Means as compared to herb and shrub, here trees contain a woody trunk and produce branches with high above the trunk. Example Polythia longifolia. Here the branches are high above the trunk, and in Tectona grandis the branches are top of the trunk. So again that trees, they may be caudex, excurrent, deliquescent and trichum. Let us see one by one what is caudex. Here usually caudex do not possesses branch on the stem. Example Cocos nucifera, पता है आपको कोकोनट, यहाँ पर इसके स्टेम में ब्रांचेस नहीं है, देयरफॉर ब्रांचेस आर एब्सेंट. इसको हम कहते हैं, इस टाइप के स्टेम को हम कहते हैं कॉडेक्स. ओके, अगेन अनदर एग्जांपल दैट इज द राविनालिया मेडागास्करेंसिस. इट आर रेयरली विथ अ वेरी फ्यू ब्रांचेस. एग्जांपल हैप्पीनी थिबिका. सो दिस हैबिट आर आल्सो मोनोपोडियल. सो जिसमें ब्रांचेस एब्सेंट रहती है स्टेम में और वेरी फ्यू ब्रांचेस रहती है, ऐसे हैबिट को हम क्या कहते हैं, मोनोपोडियल हैबिट. Then excurrent. What is excurrent? In this type of plant, the main stem maintain indefinite apical growth and also produce lateral branches. Here there is a indefinite apical growth and there is a many lateral branches which is parallel to the soil, okay, and the base of that branches are larger as compared to the apical branches, and they form the triangular shape. So this type of habit are called the axe current here. So these branches produce lateral branches are developed from the side of the trunk, and they are nearly parallel to the ground. Lower branches are largest and giving the plant of stalk an elongated triangular shape, as before I have told you. Example is Polythia longifolia, Eucalyptus globosus, Casuarina equisetifolia. Okay, then deliquescent. Here the apical bud of the main stem dies early and become weaker than the apical bud of the lateral branches. So यहाँ पर जो apical stem है पहले ही die हो जाता है and it is weaker than the lateral branches. Here the growth of they may be primary branches, here primary branches, secondary branches, tertiary branches. Also cages very soon and giving the spreading habit. They produce that spreading habit. So this type of habit are found in Albelgia, Labec, Tectona grandis, Ficus religiosa and Dolonex regia. So this is the deliquescent type of habit. Ficus religiosa, it is the example of that. Okay, then trichum, the stem is fistular, that is with solid node and hollow internode, like bamboo में एग्जाम्पल पाया जाता है. यहाँ पर क्या होता है, like a normal grasses stem are very tall with excurrent and growth pattern and do not further thicken by the secondary growth. Example Bambusa tolda. Okay.